Okay, in this video I wanna show you how to wash our eco-friendly stuff with this soap nuts. Yeah, these soap nuts you can find them easily everywhere around in tropical country like India, Nepal, Indonesia, and others. Also, I prepare the small fabric and elastic band to make a soap from the soap nuts. So now we will take the fabric that we can wash in the river, and this one, the eco print. So yeah, I took 5 soap nuts. Oh sorry, I take 4.5 soap nuts. So I need more. This one is 5 soap nuts. The soap nut is depend on how much the fabric we will use. We will wash. Sorry, and put on the fabric. Use the rubber or tie. And soak the soap nuts until 5 minutes, 3 or 5 minutes. Then after 5 minutes you can squeeze very well. See, and the foam is come out. And after you squeeze very well the soap nuts, we can directly put our eco-print fabric to the water soap nuts. And after we finish with the soap nut water, we can soak with the running water. And squeeze very well. Now I was finished with this to wash this fabric, and let's hang this under the sun directly. And The big question is, how if we don't have the soap nut like us? We can change the soap nuts with the baby shampoo or the baby soap, because it will make your eco-friendly stuff stay, now easy to fade out. If you choose the detergent to wash your eco-friendly stuff, it will easily to fade out. Also, you should to wash the fabric with your hand only, not with the washing machine. And it's nature works. We can see directly the eco print, and this pattern still stay, not fade out. Also the natural dye still stay, because I used the soap nuts. If I use the detergent, of course it will easy to fade out. And this video, I think, is important to you, because you should to know how to care your eco-friendly stuff. And thank you for watching. See you the next video.